Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem faced when creating graphs in R. The problem at hand involves adjusting the y-axis to display treatment averages for males and females mirrored horizontally. Quite the conundrum, right? Now, let's discuss the solution provided. By assigning negative values to one gender and utilizing the abs function to label the x-axis, we're able to achieve the desired graph layout. The key lies in structuring the data and utilizing the ggplot2 library effectively to create the mirrored visualization. In the code snippet shared, we see the crucial steps involved in plotting the graph with treatment averages for males and females mirrored horizontally. By setting up the data frame properly and employing the necessary ggplot functions, we can create a visually appealing graph that fulfills our requirements. Remember, attention to detail is key in crafting the perfect graphs. In summary, we've tackled a tricky graphing problem and emerged victorious with a clever solution. With the right approach and a solid understanding of data visualization techniques in R, any challenge can be overcome. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Keep those data visualizations coming,